So as a general rule of thumb, we do recommend that you wash your car fortnightly in the winter months, weekly during the summer months. The intensity of the sun will actually bake the contaminants into the paint. The sun and the UV rays alone won't actually adversely affect modern clear coats. So it's the contaminants that are embedded into the paint that do most of the damage. So the longest lasting protective coating is a true ceramic, but that isn't necessarily the best for everyone. If you are happy to regularly apply a synthetic wax or a hybrid ceramic wax, the vibrance and the depth of the shine is often warmer. In saying that, all coatings do require regular washing and maintenance. So ceramic provides a more robust coating, but not everything called ceramic is actually a true ceramic coating. It may only contain some ceramic that is blended in with other friendly ingredients and therefore won't last multi-year. Wheels are always the most difficult to thoroughly clean and maintain, especially on European cars, just because of the constant brake dust. You need the right wheel cleaner with 2 brushes to clean wheels properly. So there is no difference between paste wax and liquid waxes anymore, but a spray wax is easier to apply. It just won't last as long as a non-spray formula. Polishes that contain abrasives are actually compounds, which are mostly effective at removing paint imperfections and minor defects. Pure polishes are great for dark colors because they create a deeper level of shine. So the biggest shifts have been around the ease of application of the products. Most people would trade off some durability if the product is easy to use. The biggest difference between trade and retail is the size of the packs that pros would buy. Compounds are a little bit more aggressive and formulated around machine use for trade. So DIY ceramic coatings are currently the biggest new thing. Traditional ceramic coatings are still applied by professionals only due to the complexity and trickiness of some of the applications. So that's why consumers are having a hard time believing a DIY version will be as effective.